It's different when I'm sitting there alone by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
Slide on a pimp gang with my pinky ring. Lot of gang, lot of bitches in the icy chain. While you claim that you rich, that's a false claim. I be straight to the whip, no baggage claim. Whole lot of styles, can't even pronounce the name. You ain't got no style, see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift a hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance. And we all in black, like it's gangland. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to your bitch like a spray tan? Mister, what kind of car you in? In the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Do you love the taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. A lot of girls like me, niggas wanna fight me. Nigga, get your ass checked like a fucking Nike. Me not icy, that's unlikely. And she gon' suck me like a fucking icy. Chains on the neck for the whole team. And I feel like Gucci with the ice cream. And my bitch want the Fenty, not the Maybelline. I'm the black JB, the way these bitches scream. Make this bitch scream. Pretty little thing, like my nigga AE. Say, yada yada me. She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. She can get a taste. Let you get a taste. Leave, let it taste. Yeah, that's cool.
Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Gorgius Hair, and today you guys, I'm reviewing a curly bob. Now this bob is like not even really a curly bob, it's more so like a wavy kind of bob, and I wanted to do this because I have been doing a lot of curly hair reviews, and I noticed that I didn't really do a lot of curly bobs over the summer, and I know like the summer is pretty much over, right? You can always wear a bob, okay? And there's nothing like a good old bob. Today you guys, I'm reviewing this T-part closure wavy bob. Okay, that's a lot. It's a T-part closure wavy bob, okay? And I want to say that this is probably in about like a 10 inch, maybe to 12 inch. As you guys can see, it does go into like an angle. It's like shorter here and then it gets longer here. I did not do any extra cutting or anything like that to the unit. I just applied it and then I added in these baby hairs here. which I'm going to get into in a moment. I feel like with a T-part unit, you know, you really don't get a lot of space when it comes to T-part units. It's pretty much like a part with, you know, edges. That's pretty much what we're giving right now, which is fine, because had I not told you that, you wouldn't have even noticed that this was a T-part unit. So let's get into it, shall we? The first thing that I want to say, for this to be my first time working with them, I like their lace. Okay, the lace on this unit is great. Okay, this is what it's giving. And I was gonna get some concealer and like perfect my part, but if you want to, you can. I didn't, but you can, and it'll make it look a little bit better. But this is what it's giving up close. Okay, not too bad. I really like the lace on it, and I didn't even need to use like my elastic band or anything like that. This is just what it gives off top. So I will say that I really like the lace on this unit, but I know a lot of people like to shy away from T-part units. But I will say this: if you're looking to save some money and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a closure unit or a lace front unit, and you're on a budget, I think these are great units for girls who are on a budget, because you pretty much get like what you need out of the unit. You don't really get all the extra parting space, but I feel like you still get what you need out of a unit like this. So this is what the parting space is giving. And I will say the actual parting space like here in the center is a lot wider than most T-parts that I've tried in the past. So I will say that I do like that much of the parting space. And I did tint my lace today, if you guys are wondering. I did use the Ebin Lace Tint Spray in the color dark brown. I want to say this is dark brown. Yeah, this is in dark brown. So if you guys are interested, I will link this down below for you guys. I will do my best to start to make sure I have all the products in the description box for you guys, so that way you guys don't have to ask me, because it'll already be there. You guys can click on it, because I already know you. I feel like at this point I already know what you want, so I might as well just give you what you want. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the finished look though, you guys. Now typically I would wait until like the unit is completely dry before I come here and like give my thoughts on it, but I feel like with this kind of look, I feel like it looked better wet. Now this is just what it's naturally giving. It's not like dripping wet, as you guys can see. It's just damp, you know. And these are the waves that are in the hair. I was thinking about like flat ironing it, but I was like, well, let me just at least show them what the hair looks like if you wanted to wear it like in the curly state. And then maybe another day, you know, I can come back on here maybe with you guys and we can do something with like the hair straightened out. But I think this will look good for like if you had like a photo shoot and you wanted to have like that wet hair and you're like in your bathing suit or something like that. I think that this would be a great unit for that. And it's very lightweight. It's not like super high and thick and like extra full. Speaking of that, the density on this unit, I want to say that the density on this one is probably about 150% density. I don't think it's anything thicker than that, and I will say it's just the right amount of hair. Okay, it was almost given too thin. It's like borderline, but she's giving what she needs to give. Okay, nonetheless. Now this unit also has an elastic band in the inside, which is perfect for anyone out there that wants to do like a glueless install, or you don't want to use any product to apply your unit. You can definitely do that with this unit because it does have the extra elastic band in there, and I believe that it's sewn in. If you want to, you can definitely use like a razor and cut it out if you really want to, but I would be careful with that because you don't want to end up cutting like a hole in your unit. I would say that the fit on this unit is actually very snug, so if you are worried about like the fit, if you're worried about it being too small or too big, I think that it's just the right fit, and I really like how snug it fits on me. I love the fact that it has that elastic band in there, so if that was something that interests you, I noticed a lot of companies are actually putting those in the units now. Like I would say the past like 5 units that I've received have had like some kind of elastic band inside, whether it was sewn in or whether it was like the removable kind. But I've been noticing that a lot of the units recently, they're all coming with that. So maybe more people are getting more into like the glueless install, so I don't know, that could definitely be a thing. But yeah, you guys, normally I would stand up and show you guys where the hair is hitting on me, but that is not necessary for this unit. You guys see what it is giving. It's, you know, just a cute curly bob. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Gorgius Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate every last one of you, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.